Hi, everyone. And what I want to talk to you about today is I've had some questions about how you can take a PDF and have students add text to it or add text boxes so that maybe they can fill info in. So I'm going to show you a way to do that with Google Slides. And this is assuming that you'd use a slide presentation that you set up for students and then kind of give it to them using something like Google Classroom. So here you can see I have a blank presentation open. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File, and I am going to go to Page Setup. Now, when I go to page setup, I'm going to change this to custom. And for the size, I'm going to say a piece of paper size, so 11. Oh, no, sorry, 8.5 by 11. We see this changes our slide so that it's a regular sheet of paper size. Now, anything that's in there, I'm just going to highlight and delete. Now, you can find your worksheets or puzzles, whatever you're having students do. I went and found a couple on justeducation.com. I just looked up Halloween and found some different things. So I clicked download worksheet. When you do that, you can see it opens up a PDF. Now I'm going to do it right from this screen. I'm not going to download it all the way. Now you could, if I kind of mouse around in here, I could say download. Maybe you have it open up in Adobe Acrobat, which would be perfectly fine too. Doesn't make a difference. But using this screen, I'm just going to take it. I'm going to zoom out so I can see the whole sheet. All right. So I can see my whole little sheet right here. And this is what I want students to do. Now, what I'm going to use, I'm on a Windows device, so I'm going to use what's called the snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can simply hit Command Shift 4, and you'll be taking a screenshot. Now, Windows, I just have to look up snipping tool. I'm going to say New. And I'm going to select what I want. I can see it opens up. It's saying, okay, here's what I took a screenshot of. I'm going to save it to a spot that makes sense to me. So maybe I go on my desktop. I'll make a new little folder, say new folder, sheets. And this is Halloween math. So I took one picture. Let's go do the other one. So once again, I'm going to zoom out the way I need. I'm going to look up snipping tool. And like I said, on a Mac, remember it's Command Shift 4 gives you this same option. So Command Shift 4. But on a Windows device, we use snipping tool. I took my little screenshot. I'm going to save this. We'll say maze. Now it's saved. Now on my Google slide, I'm going to go Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Go to that little desktop folder I had. Here's my Halloween math. I can resize it so it fits the slide. So one sheet's in there. Now what I can simply do is I can right-click this slide, copy, right-click, paste. Just delete this guy, or I can leave it there, and I can go replace image, upload from computer, and this way I don't have to resize the entire thing. Now another option, if you're afraid that kids are going to move that around and kind of goof it up, I can go onto the slide here. I can go background, choose image, upload picture, hit done. Now the student can't move this around. So real easy way of doing it. Now something like this, a student would just put a text box in. So which one equals 9? I don't know. I'm just going to type some letter. Put one here. So they can put little text boxes in to answer. On one like this, they can use like a little scribble, and they could just kind of scribble the line. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So students can do something like that. So that's how you can get a PDF into a Google slide. Thanks for watching.